All right, Dave. I'm a little scared of those bolts. I'm afraid they're gonna break. It's leaking a little bit right there. Not much though. I don't think that matters. It sounds to me. I haven't looked under that heat shield up there yet. You see how discolored the front of that manifold is? I'm fairly certain that the manifold is broken under that heat shield. And you see that spark plug wire right there? Right there by the heat shield, that plug is not plugged in. But see how black? And let's see, I thought I could see it up here too. From the top side, I could see it. Can't really light it up too good. But you see that soot on that heat shield? I think that's rinsing out of the inside of it where it's busted. I'll verify that. But what I'm thinking, we'll put the mufflers on it, and it's leaking at every joint. See, there's soot there. Every one of these that he clamped, even the ones he partially welded, like that one, it's even leaking. You see, right? She's leaking right there. Let the soot blowing out of there. Welded a little bit. I know that's got soot on it too. Where's that one at? Yeah. You see all where the soot comes out of that one. I think I'll put the mufflers on and go from there. See what we got. All right, I wanted to show you what I found. See where that gasket had been leaking right there. It was on there like this, just like you see it, upside down. Not kidding. All right, so that was that leak. There's the front leak. It's been leaking a long time. It was leaking here too, blowing all over that. And that did break.